Lightroom has created this automation and it is quite frankly incredible. So let's start with my favorite one and the first one on the top here, which is selecting the subject. So when you click this, your Lightroom is going to automatically find the people in your photo and it's going to create a mask around them. It's going to put it on the little mask over here and you have the capability of selecting the actual people, or if you right click, you can invert the mask and it's going to select everything else. So for example, if I wanted everything else to be blurrier compared to a couple, we could drop our clarity on everything else. We could drop our texture on everything else. If you wanted to make everything except them darker, we could do that. You can start to see how this is going to be an incredible feature. With just that alone, our image became so much more interesting and we don't have to be doing that manual work or going to Photoshop for it.